The new Raz RX front suspension from Ski-Doo is focused on giving the most aggressive trail riders absolute confidence in the most demanding trail conditions. Ski-Doo engineers centered efforts on improving three primary ride characteristics: stable and predictable cornering, steering precision in big bumps, and the industry-best suspension capacity. To create more predictability and stability in the corners, they set out to reduce chassis roll. First, a taller ski spindle inspired by the legendary MXZ RS race sled created a new flatter geometry for the A-arms and raised the sled's roll center closer to the center of gravity. This reduces the leverage the center of gravity has on the chassis and reduces body roll by an amazing 20%. Engineers also tilted the shock angle more and updated the sway bar linkage, which both contribute to increasing roll resistance to give riders a huge confidence boost by knowing exactly how the sled will react in corners, allowing them to attack their chosen line with unmatched ferocity. Secondly, increasing the trail of the ski leg to the same spec as the RS provides better straight line tracking and stability. Filtering terrain imperfections allows superior feedback to the rider and a more controlled and confident ride, reducing the twitchiness. Through the bumps, the added trail of the ski leg also stabilizes the ski leg, keeping the steering calm and the rider in full command. To balance that, Ski-Doo engineers also optimize the steering motion ratio for ease of turning and less rider fatigue. In the corners, these changes give the rider much better feedback and a connected feel. This allows for quicker rider reactions and enhances precision through every twist and turn. Adding capacity to the already industry-leading front suspension travel comes by the way of new curved A-arms and revised shock calibration. The increased suspension travel combined with the new calibration creates the optimal ride quality even in the most demanding conditions. The new front suspension keeps the skis in contact with the snow more consistently, allowing the features of the new Pilot RX ski to shine. The Pilot RX emphasizes all the advantages of the Raz RX front suspension for those aggressive MXZ riders even more. A new aggressive two-step keel design with a longer lower portion adds positive ski bite for exceptional predictability on hard-packed in the corners. The wider upper part of the keel design helps keep the sled tracking true when the snow is loose or after the fresh snow falls. The ski also has a large lateral contact area for better performance in a wide variety of snow conditions and brings impressive grip in loose snow. Now, riders have every advantage over the trail and the competition, regardless of the day's conditions. When you combine the new RX front end with the industry-leading R-Motion X rear suspension, it's the perfect way to control any curve. At the end of the day, conquering every inch of snow from tight technical corners to rough weekend moguls with unrivaled precision and pace. That's the unmatched advantage of the new Ski-Doo Raz RX front suspension and Pilot RX ski.